Good day, friends. Welcome to Ramer Math TV. Today, I'm going to share to you my knowledge about square root. Okay, square root. Square root. So when we say square root of, let us say, a number, n, no? N can be any number. Suppose we have the letter n here, and then we get the square root of this number. So getting the square root of this number also means getting the 1/2 power of the number n. Okay, square root and raising to the power of 1/2 are the same concept. Okay, so suppose letter A is our answer. So A is the square root of n. So if you are going to observe what I write on the board, you can say that the square root is a certain number that you should multiply twice by itself to get the number n. No? Square root can be represented by the variable a. And a is a certain number that you should multiply twice by itself to get letter n. So let's have specific examples. Let us say let n equals to 4. So if we get the square root of 4, that also means getting the 1/2 power of number 4. They are the same. So the answer is 2. So you can say that the value of our a here is 2. The value of our n is 4. Okay? So why do we say that 2 is the square root of 4? Because 2 is a certain number that you should multiply twice by itself to get the number n, which is number 4, according to our specific example. Okay? Let's have another example. Okay? How about if our n is 9? Okay. So, if our variable n equals to 9, if we get the square root of this number, that also means 9 is raised to the power of 1/2, then it is equal to 3. Why 3 is the square root of 9? Because number 3 is a certain number that you should multiply twice by itself to get number 9, which is the value of our n. So in this example, our a here equals to 3 and our n equals to 9. Okay, that's how simple the square root is. Okay, this is one of my favorite topics. And actually, so far, ang ginagamit ko na mga examples ay mga perfect square numbers. Bakit tinatawag ko na perfect square numbers ang 4 and 9? Kasi kung kukunin mo ang square root ng 4, it is a whole number 2. At kung kukunin mo naman ang square root ng 9, it is a whole number 3. That's why numbers 4 and 9 are considered perfect square numbers. Hindi lang sila. We also have 25, because the square root of 25 is a whole number 5. 36 is another example. Why? Because if we get the square root of 36, it is number 6, a whole number. What else? Square root of 49. It is 7 because 7 times 7 equals to 49. 7 is a whole number. Square root of 64, it is 8. Square root of 100, it is 10, so on and so forth. There are many perfect square numbers. Okay? And actually, if you get the square root of perfect square numbers, you can apply the what they call a certain law of exponent, like this one. Example, this one, no? X raised to the power of m times n equals x raised to the product of these exponents. We can actually use this concept in getting the square root of a perfect square number. For example, the square root of 4, di ba? Square root of 4. That also means getting the 1/2 power of this number. Okay? And actually, friends, 4 can be expressed as 2 squared because 2 times 2 equals to 4. So we can replace this one by 2 squared. Okay? So you can see that if we use this formula and in using this specific example, you can see that the value of our m is 2 and the value of our n is 1/2. So let us apply this formula in getting the square root of 4, the value of our n. Okay, so 2 times m times n. This is m, this is n. So the value of our m is 2. Okay? And the value of our n is 1/2. Okay. So 2 times 1/2 is equal to 1. So since the exponent is 1, we can erase that 1. Any number having no exponent is considered to have an exponent of 1. Diba amazing? Nakuha na to ang nakuha natin ang square root ni 4 gamit ang index law na x raised to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to x raised to the power of the products of the exponents m and n. Diba amazing? The same with number 9. Okay? If we get the square root of 9, that also means that we raised 9 to the power of 1/2. And 9 can be expressed as 3 squared. 9 can be expressed as 3 squared. 9 and 3 squared are the same numbers. Okay? 9 is equal to 3 squared and 3 squared equals to 9. And this number, 9, is raised to the power of 1/2. And then, using this law of the exponent, 2 times 1/2, okay, 2 times 1/2 is just equal to 1. And we can erase that 1, and we have number 3. So friends, thank you for listening my vlog today. I just want to share to you my knowledge about the square root. Okay. Square root means finding the number 8 that should be multiplied twice by itself to get letter n, because square root of n is equal to a. Okay? And then square root also means, if we say square root of a number n, is the same as saying that we need to get the 1/2 power of n. So square root of n is just equal to n raised to the power of 1/2. And the answer is A. Okay, friends, I hope you have enjoyed my discussion today. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get updated with my uploaded videos in the future. Goodbye. Thank you for listening. May God bless you all. Bye-bye.